Hi, dude. We are meet again here. Now, I will give you knowledge. This knowledge about how to make photo animation. For you, content creator for Instagram, YouTube, or anything else social media. I'm not talk so much here, so you can concentration, enjoy learn. This app's Pixamotion. You can use it on Android, Chromebook. Until this step, you can set resolution video and duration of video. I suggest you set 20 per second, cause this will be loop, and you can edit soon on editing video software. Finish. You are now can create motion animation image just from smartphone and Chromebook. Thanks for watching, dude. Don't forget to subscribe us, Miss Hortips.